Hey crafty friends, we're back together today and it is day 4 of All About That Base, No Trouble with Ginger's Corner. I'm Kathy and this is the base that I created and now we're putting it into play. So the only thing I'm adding for this layout is this sheet of blue cardstock, and I'm using it only for the simple fact that I want to match my photos and pop them up off that background. So this is just the layout that I created using my leftovers from the Scrapbook Fantasies Nature's Way, and I am just putting these 3 photos onto this layout. And I've had these photos sitting in my stash for a very long time. My daughter in these photos here is 10 and she's now currently 28, so they've been sitting on the stash pile ready to be done for a very, very long time. So what I've done is I've pulled together all of the fussy cut icons and embellishments and elements from this range, and I'm just going to use them to layer up and create the layout. Now once you mat your photos, that is a great start to building a layout, and you can see me fussing and playing here to get the best combination that I like or I feel balances this layout well. Alright, so I've decided I'm going to use these frames, and what I'm doing is I'm going to cut them in half, and that's going to allow me to manipulate it a little bit better because I don't want it taking up too much space, but I do want it to be part of the photo. So it's not working for me as a whole, as you can see here, so this is where I cut it, and I'm going to tuck it in the back behind like a bracket around, and then I'm also going to extend one here, and that's going to allow for the landing base for cluster to be built. So I'm just putting the other half over to the collection because I'll use that on another layout further down the track. I'm shuffling through. I want to use these dragonflies. They are very cute. Look at them, they're just perfect. And I'm just going to build up a stash of the flowers and a couple of the whimsical little notepads and clipboards here. I want to include that mushroom into it, and I do want to include some leaves into it. And I contemplate putting the door in, but I think that's a little bit too much for this layout. So I choose that little clipboard there with the whimsical fairy. And then I'm just going through and pulling out the leaves and the flowers to see how that's going to work on this layout. I'm just trialing them at the moment, layering them up, and that's the best thing with your embellishments, is to just give them time to sit before you adhere so that you're actually happy with the outcome. Now I am sorry about that glare on that photo, that's really unusual, but that's the quality of the photo from way back when. They were such thick, good quality that they do have that. And this is a matte, I don't ever use glossy. So that's just showing you the quality of the paper that used to be in photo developing. So I'm just dropping in a few leaves here and there. I did go off screen, which you didn't see, and I adhered all of those embellishments into place. And now I'm just finishing off. I fixed the title with her name in the bottom there into place because those stickers do lose their stickiness and I don't want them to be lost in the future. And I'm just adding in a few more of these loose leaves at like a falling effect so that they're like tumbling from leaves or trees from above. And I'm loving how this has come together, quick and easy and nice and simple. And that's how easy it is when you do have a base layout to work with. Now I'm just going to add in some gold stickles here in my sets of 3 to set up my visual triangle, as you can see here happening. And that little bit of sparkle matches that glittery type paper that is in underneath on the horizontal. So that's how this has come together. It's very easy, very simple, but it looks very effective. I didn't have to have much thought into it other than the placement of the embellishments. And I also am happy that I have finally gotten these photos into an album. So play along, have fun, go and check out everybody on the playlist down below. I do have Ginger's Facebook page also linked, so you can go and check out for the giveaway that she has this month. These are the close-ups of the layout. You can see how quickly and easily you can build a layout with a pre-made base. So that's a wrap for today's layout, everybody. Thanks for staying and watching. Big thumbs up to you for being a loyal audience. Thumbs up to me if you liked what I did. And here's my next video for you. I'll see you over there real soon. Don't forget to check back.